Hey yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be working with this unit. I think, guys, listen, I am re-editing this video for the third time, and I do have some of the original voiceover clips for the video, so I don't know what I said where. Yeah, so I'm just welcoming you guys back to the channel and letting you guys know that I'm here, I'm back, I'm doing this thing again. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna just let you guys watch and enjoy the other voiceover clips that come up as the video goes along. Oh, I swear guys, my wake up is not dirty, it is foundation, and I'm just going in with some red one to tint my edges, because you guys know that my edges kind of go through it every time I do my hair, so I'm just using this red one to kind of just stick them back and get them out of the way so that I could get it on and popping with this wig. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As I would have mentioned in the first clip, I'm gonna be attempting to style this 4x4 closure wig that was sent to me by AONKIA. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I will leave it on the screen. So guys, this is gonna be my absolute first time working with a unit, so bear with me. I'm just going in with some red one to slick back my edges. You could use whatever edge control, whatever gel you have at hand or you prefer, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm using. Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. You can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up this on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you way. But we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. And still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you Listen, yeah. What? I better not come to me not move my spray bottle. I can't find my spray bottle, so I decided to use this old Febreze bottle. We all know the struggle. It's fine. So I'm just spritzing my hair with the water to create a bit of moisture. So when I go in with the blow dryer, guys, honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing what my mind tells me to do, and we'll see how it turns out. But yeah, I'm just spritzing the hair with water. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that this is a low budget, no little to no equipment wig styling video. Guys, I don't have a hot comb. All I have is a blow dryer. That is it. Don't have lace glue. I use the got to be. You don't require much water, a little bit of heat protectant. I put that in the unit. You guys didn't see. I did that off camera before I started the video. A little bit of water, and that's it. Oh, a little bit of oil as well. I used some olive oil, and that's it. Now I know a lot of people are gonna say olive oil is too heavy, but really and truly, guys, this hair was very frizzy. It came very frizzy. So the olive oil really helped. I did use a light, very light oil from Garnier when I did it the first time, and it only held it for like a little 2 hours. From the time I went outside and the wind started blowing, the hair got frizzy again, but with the olive oil it held it over for like 2 to 3 wears. All I had to do was add a little bit more water and brush it up with the diamond brush, and that was it. As you guys can see, previously I did use some got to be glue spray, but that did not work. I even used the elastic band to hold it down, and as y'all can see, the wig is still slipping and sliding. So we just had to move on to the next. So guys, this is what I came up with. I don't know who told me I was hot, but I just grabbed my glasses and put them on because you know we had to complete the look some way somehow. This is what I managed to do to come up with. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think I could have done differently, or leave some tips on how I can slay my next unit. I would really appreciate it. I'm not a pro, I'm just trying. So yeah, leave all the comments y'all can, letting me know how I did, how I can do better. I appreciate it a lot. Again, thank you to AONKIA for sending me this unit. This is their 4x4 lace closure 12-inch natural color unit. Absolutely love it. It's very soft. It does shed very minimally, but that's expected. It doesn't go from your scalp. If you lose hair from your scalp, you're gonna lose hair from a wig. But I really love the unit. It's very soft. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Also share the video, and yeah, bring somebody to the channel. I would really appreciate the growth. I will